Hey everyone, how's it going? Imagine this, making $500 online in just 1 week. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, what if you thought you did it with zero investment, no more prior experience, and just using my phone and the internet for about 3 hours a day? And the best part, if he can do it, I'm absolutely certain you can too. Stick around, because I'm about to pull back the curtain and show you exactly how. Just a month ago, things were, well, they were tight. I was broke, scrolling endlessly, trying to find a legitimate way to earn some extra cash online. The internet is a jungle of information, and honestly, he was completely lost. But then, he decided to stop searching and start doing. He cooked up a simple idea, a small test, and what happened next blew my mind. In just 7 days, bam, $500 landed right in my bank account. So, what was the secret skill? It was YouTube thumbnail design. Now, hold on. Before you say, but I'm not a designer, neither was he. Seriously, you don't need to be a graphic design wizard. You learned everything you needed to know completely for free, just by watching a few YouTube tutorials and playing around with Canva for a day. That's it. It's incredibly user-friendly. Once he felt confident enough, he headed over to Fiverr and he created a free gig. He kept it simple, a clear title, a few simple thumbnails I'd made for practice, and the straightforward pricing. But here's the real game changer, the part most people miss. He didn't just post my gig and pray for clients to magically appear. That's a recipe for waiting forever. Instead, he got proactive. He joined a bunch of Facebook groups for YouTube creators, communities where people are looking for help to grow their channels. He started engaging, being helpful, and then he offered my thumbnail design service directly in those groups. And guess what? It worked faster than he could have ever imagined. Within 48 hours, he landed my very first client. He was so excited. He poured all my energy into that first job. He delivered the thumbnails super fast, made sure they were exactly what the client wanted, and he added a little extra effort with a smile. The client was thrilled. He not only left a generous tip but also gave me a glowing 5-star review. That single review was like a magnet. It instantly boosted my gig's credibility, and more clients started finding me directly on Fiverr. By the end of that first week, day 7, he had earned a grand total of $500. So there you have it. That's my story. It's not magic, and it's not about getting lucky. It was about choosing one skill, focusing on it, putting in the effort, and using a smart, proactive strategy to find those first clients. The most amazing part is that you can start this journey right now, today, with absolutely zero money. If you want me to share the exact Fiverr gig setup and the description that you used to get started, just comment Fiverr setup down below, and I'll make a follow-up video on it. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe for more real, actionable tips on earning online. I'll see you in the next one.